National
Jesus
Weather
Christ,
Service
it's
in
like
Chicago
World War
has
III in
issued a
here.
severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 a.m. At 2:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Silky to Villa Park near Warrenville, moving southeast
I'd
at
say.
45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Calumet City, Addison, and Lansing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio.